DeepSeek AI versus ChatGPT, two of the most powerful AI models today. But which one is actually smarter? With AI evolving so fast, it's time to put these two head-to-head and see which one comes out on top. ChatGPT has been the dominant AI for a while, but DeepSeek has been making waves, claiming to be a serious competitor. So today we're testing their accuracy, features, and performance to finally settle the debate. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about accuracy. How well do these AIs actually answer questions? We tested both on general knowledge, complex reasoning, and niche topics. On basic, fact-based questions like, who was the 16th president of the United States? Both AIs got it right instantly. Abraham Lincoln. No surprise there. But when we pushed them with more complex queries, things got interesting. For example, we asked, explain quantum entanglement in the simplest way possible. ChatGPT gave a well-structured answer, using analogies to make it more understandable. DeepSeek also did a good job but used more technical terms, making it slightly harder for a beginner to grasp. On historical events, DeepSeek provided more detailed sources, while ChatGPT was better at summarizing in a way that was easier to read. So in terms of factual accuracy, both are strong, but ChatGPT has the edge when it comes to making information more digestible. Next, let's compare their features. ChatGPT is known for its ability to generate human-like text, write stories, and assist with coding. DeepSeek, on the other hand, positions itself as a more advanced search-focused AI, meaning it aims to retrieve and analyze information more efficiently. One key difference is accessibility. ChatGPT is available through OpenAI's app and web interface, with a free and a premium version for GPT-4. DeepSeek, however, is completely free, at least for now, which is a huge advantage. Another feature difference is document analysis. DeepSeek can handle longer text inputs and analyze documents in more depth, whereas ChatGPT has stricter token limits. If you need AI to process lengthy reports or legal documents, DeepSeek might be the better choice. However, when it comes to creativity, like writing stories, scripts, or poetry, ChatGPT outperforms. DeepSeek's responses feel more robotic in comparison, while ChatGPT's storytelling is more engaging and natural. So if you're looking for research and deep analysis, DeepSeek shines. But for creativity and everyday chat interactions, ChatGPT is the winner. Now let's talk speed. Both AIs are fast, but is one noticeably quicker? We ran a series of time tests, asking each AI the same question simultaneously. For short answers, both responded instantly. But for longer responses, DeepSeek had a slight edge in speed, delivering full answers a few seconds faster than ChatGPT. This makes sense. DeepSeek is optimized for search-like behavior, retrieving data rapidly. ChatGPT, on the other hand, sometimes takes a little longer to craft well-structured responses. For real-time performance, both are impressive. But if you need quick research-based answers, DeepSeek might be the better option. AI tools are becoming essential for coding, so how do these two compare in that area? We tested them by asking for Python code to sort a list, generate a website landing page, and debug a faulty JavaScript snippet. Both AIs provided correct Python and JavaScript code, but ChatGPT gave more detailed explanations of how the code worked. DeepSeek was more concise, often skipping explanations unless specifically asked. For debugging, ChatGPT was better at identifying errors and suggesting fixes, while DeepSeek required more direct prompting. Overall, if you need quick code snippets, DeepSeek is fine. But for learning, debugging, and more complex programming help, ChatGPT is the better choice. One of the biggest advancements in AI is the ability to process images. So let's see how these two compare. ChatGPT, through GPT-4 Vision, can analyze images, recognize objects, and even interpret graphs. DeepSeek also has multimodal capabilities, but it's still in early development compared to OpenAI's model. For example, when we uploaded an image of a cat sitting on a book, ChatGPT correctly described it, and even inferred that the cat might be warm and comfortable. DeepSeek also identified the cat, but didn't provide as much insight into the scene. So in terms of image recognition and analysis, ChatGPT has a clear advantage for now. Privacy is a big concern with AI tools, so how do these two handle user data? ChatGPT, run by OpenAI, has clear policies on data collection, but it has faced criticism over how user interactions are stored and used to train models. DeepSeek, being relatively new, claims to prioritize user privacy, but there's less transparency about its data policies. Additionally, since DeepSeek is developed in China, some users worry about potential government influence, while OpenAI, being US-based, faces its own regulatory challenges. If privacy is a major concern for you, it's worth looking into how each company handles data before using their services extensively. So after testing accuracy, features, speed, coding abilities, multimodal functions, and privacy, which AI is smarter? The answer depends on what you need. For research and fast retrieval of information, DeepSeek is impressive. For creativity, coding help, and image analysis, ChatGPT is the better choice. If you want a free tool with no paywall, DeepSeek is an attractive option. If you prefer a more polished, human-like AI experience, ChatGPT still leads. Ultimately, there's no single winner. Both AIs excel in different areas. But as AI continues to advance, we might see these models grow even closer in capability. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.